Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color a cute and beautiful shark. Let's start drawing. I'm drawing the eyes first. And then I will draw the body to the shark. And this one has a beautiful tail. Okay, it's beautiful, wow! Now, I'm going to draw its middle fin like this, and its teeth. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Wow, awesome! Hey, let's start coloring. First, I give the green color. So friends, you too should do it like this. Wow, that's great! Now I'm going to color it all pink. I won't leave out a single bit. It's all pink, like this. So friends, be patient. This is about to happen. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!